Okay, so in this video we will try to understand the and or and past statements which are used in if-else statements. So if for example I'm having some variables like a, and a is having the value you can say 20, and b is having the value 30, and c is having the value 20, right? So these are the three variables, and these are having some values, and I want to use the if statement here. If a is greater than b, and now I want to check one more statement whether a is greater than c or not. But in that case I will have to use the else statement, but instead of using else statement I want to use the single statement in the if condition. Means I want to check two condition in a single if statement, right? So in that case what we can do is we just add the and, right? And here I can check a is greater than c, and after that I'm going to put the colon, which means the if statement is separated from this particular statement which will be executed after this particular condition is true. So if this condition is true, then print a, let's use the small a is the greatest number. Okay, so this will be printed in case if both the conditions are true. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so a is the greatest number, right? Because let's say I'm going to give some space here because it's showing some error. Okay, so this is how we can use the and in case if I'm going to use or here, in that case I can write something else like one of the condition is true, conditions sorry conditions is true. Okay, means whether a is greater than b or a is greater than c. So इसमें से कोई एक condition जो है true हुई, in that case it will print one of the condition is true. So let's run this again. So this is how we can use the or for checking the two condition in a single if statement. Okay, so one more thing what we can do is we just want to check the condition but we don't want anything to be printed as an output. So in that case there will be error, right? Because if I'm not going to give any statement to be executed, if I run this it will show you the error. Okay, so but if you just write pass, okay, in that case it will not show you any error because this pass statement is going to complete this if statement, right? Okay, so execution is done but there is no error because I have not given the statement corresponding to the if statement, but I have write the pass statement which will just pass the if statement and in case of if it's true, right? Otherwise there will be no statement will be executed, or you can say no statement will be printed on the console or as the output, right? This is how you can use the pass statement. Okay,